vlog. Um, there's a lot in it. There's a lot of happening with 2 days. Actually, we stay in the hospital for 4 days, and the 2 days was those are my labor and my birth vlog, and my birth. I mean, those are my when I'm giving birth. So I'm on my labor, sleeping, and then it's just madness. I don't actually remember, because maybe I'm really sleeping while I'm on labor, and I just remember is my husband and the midwife, those midwife with me. They were all laughing. My husband was, they were like, um maybe to get off the stress and stuff like that. They were I just remember they were just talking a lot and laughing and stuff like that. I don't know what they're talking about. I was just really like, just, I don't want to be like part of it. Just take off the baby inside me. That's the only thing. And then of course she's checking me around 1 p.m. I guess I was in my at 12 p.m. I was in my 2 cm. Actually, it's just straight away, and straight away I was in my around 5 p.m. I'm on my 10 cm, I guess, because I feel like I really want to push. They were just keep asking me because every time they were just asking me actually. But before that, putting the epidural and stuff, I was just really following what they were telling to me because I'm just like a zombie, like not following everything what they were saying to me, like, okay, and stuff like that, like, yeah, let's just do this, I don't want to be have like a drama and stuff. So they said, oh, you're good because you just do what we say. But anyway, what can I do? That's the only thing I can do. So 5 6 p.m, I guess, 5 p.m, not sure, starting to push. And if you could see on my vlog, there's two midwife. They're supposed the one they're supposed the one that will help me to give birth. I mean, they're supposed to one who, because they're my midwife. And then a lot of things happening, starting push around 5 or 6, and Tria won't be coming out because of her position. Her position is like this, like her face facing me. It's not supposed to be like that, they said. And they know that I'm really gonna struggle to take her out. Like, I can still, like, it's still normal, of course, but it's not a good position for her to come out. She's supposed to come out like this, not like that. So I'll show to you the picture. Yeah, so there's things on it. So yeah, so around 6, push push push, not coming out. So they try to stop me. Okay, don't push for like 30 minutes. I go on my left side to trying to turn her position, to change her position. Maybe her position will be changed, but she's not changing her position, and she's sucking her thumb as well. I'm on my left, and she's sucking her thumb. And it's one thing as well. And then, but yeah, so that's madness. So her position don't change until the two midwife finish their shift. I didn't give birth. I think around 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Yeah, 7 p.m. And a lot of midwife are coming inside my delivery room, like the boss. And there's a lot of midwife. Like, I got a visit like 3 times inside my delivery room, and I still did not give birth until 8. Until their shift was finished. There's another midwife came. Um, they tried push, push, push. I did my best. I really did my best to push hard. Like, you will see how much I push a lot. Like, I'm really losing my power. And I was said, I don't want anymore. I just please use vacuum. I can take, but they don't want. They don't they don't want. They said, you can do it, you can do it. We tried everything, and then they could see that I'm really, really struggling. I'm struggling the whole 2 hours to try to push. Her position did not change, and she just like open close like they see the head, but it's just always open close until they're telling to me her heartbeat is getting down. And I was like, I did my best. And then until 9 they said, okay, we'll help you to take her out. And then that's it, they use vacuum. At the last part they still use the vacuum. So if her position is if it's her position is really good, like this, um I push her out for like 20 minutes and everything was just done. But yeah, but it's all worth it. All the pain is worth it. And then after that I take her out, it was really worth it. And they told me I need to be stitched. And they gave, and oh, anyway, we when I take her out, I really feel her. Even I have epidural, and those time I don't have the epidural. I feel like I don't have I did not press the epidural, so nothing at all. So after that, I take her out. That's the time I pressed the epidural, and they gave me the oxygen as well, the gas and oxygen. They gave me that, and that's the time I get panic. I get I s- the my those time that I'm pushing, my blood pressure is fine. But after that, my blood pressure up go up and down. I was I was really get panic because of the stitch. Because I feel it, and I was like and then my husband was like, can you don't suck it that fast, you're gonna feel dizzy. And then yeah, after I just I was just really like oh, sorry po. So yeah, I was just get panic after giving birth. That's the time I get panic. And they were just my husband was just telling me, don't do that, you're gonna feel dizzy after. And even my midwife, they were just, I think they kind of laugh at me because I was like keep on sucking it. Why? Baba, what's wrong? Oh, what's wrong, Baba? So yeah, we're back, guys. So I think you saw me to black. So you know, so yeah, that's my birth vlog. So yeah, that's my birth vlog. So I was it was not really easy, kind of not traumatized, but I guess one is enough. One is enough, and I'm fine with Korea. I don't know, but let's see. And we don't know what will happen in the future. So yeah, that's it for my birth vlog, labor and birth vlog story, guys. So hopefully this is not gonna be the last. I will try to vlog, but it's not that easy for me right now because I'm really adjusting with everything. And tree I just really love in my arms. And yeah, so I'll end this vlog na, guys. I'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this story time.